Everyone teaching you how to make money with AI in 2026 is lying to you. Most ways don't really work. Most people who are making these videos are probably just trying to sell you some course of their own. But there is a cream audience. There are people out there who are minting thousands of dollars with AI, not by creating random apps or trying to sell AI prompt engineering techniques to someone, but by actually delivering real value with AI. And that's what we'll be uncovering today. There are 7 ways to make money with Claude in 2026, and I'll tell you every one of them. How does it work? How can you get started? And how much can you potentially make with it? First of all, I want to start with a disclaimer. This is not some video in which I'll tell you easy ways to make money, or you don't need any skills or no experience needed. No. You need to genuinely put in the effort. You need to learn the craft. You need to research a lot. This will not start making you money on the day one, but it will certainly help you break that barrier and get to the first 10,000 rupees a month, get to the first 1 lakh rupees within the first 6 months. It will get your ball moving. And that is what's the most important thing. First way to make money with AI that I think everyone can try out, but probably the easiest way to make money with AI is to literally just go on Claude and create a .md file about how to write effectively on LinkedIn. You will then start creating LinkedIn posts for founders and help them build their personal brand. So essentially working as a ghostwriter, but powered with the help of AI. So you start reaching out to founders of B2B companies, founders of D2C brands, and you start pitching them the idea of building your personal brand and start creating revenue through that. Founder-led sales is probably the best way today to create sales in any company, and founders know that and they are willing to put in the money for that. What you do here is you come up to them and you set up just a 30-minute call every week in which you understand every core function of their business. What do they do? How do they do it? And then note it down somewhere, feed it into your Claude and create a .md file. Using this .md Claude skill, you will now be able to create consistent on-brand stories and LinkedIn posts for these founders at scale every single month. So all you have to do is to go onto Claude Cowork, set up a scheduled task which will research about the news in the field of the founder and their company, will come up with insights, combine those insights with the founder's story and present to you some unique LinkedIn posts that you can start posting on the founder's behalf and hence building their brand on it. That is the best way to start making money with AI in 2026. It is very simple. There are so many founders who are willing to pay you $500 to $800 a month to just do this. And you can start doing this from the first month itself. All you have to do is to convert that first founder to trust you. You can even do something like this for free for a founder. And then once they have been seeing the results for let's say 5 to 10 posts, they're able to consistently see let's say 100 likes on every LinkedIn post, they can start paying you for it. Or if not, then you can take this as a proof of concept and start charging other people that you will reach out to later on. But it all depends on how well you are able to reach out to founders, how well you're able to deliver the value proposition, how well you're able to convince them that you are the person who will sell this service and generate ROI for them. The second way to make money with AI is creating an AI influencer. Now, I'm not talking about vulgarity. I'm not talking about creating something that will be unethical. I'm simply saying that you create an AI avatar of any creator. It could be a guy, it could be a girl. Pick a profession. It could be, let's say, you want to teach people about how to grow a bonsai tree, how to build a garden at home, how to cook a particular meal, how to do a particular task every day, how to be more productive, how to start investing in stocks. And then you simply have to create videos around them. The easiest Instagram reels today which are going viral are the ones in which you simply have some B-rolls of yourself and you have some text on the top. Those type of videos are going viral left, right, and center. And you can create videos like these very easily by using things like Kling, Cdance, you have VO3, you now have the latest Google Flow Studio, and all of these will enable you to create these videos. Once you have these videos ready, then you just have to start posting these videos every single day. Because it's AI, you can generate 3 to 4 reels every single day and start pushing them out. In about a month, you will have 100 pieces of content that you've posted. Some of those will definitely do well for you. And all you have to do is to monetize this Instagram page or this TikTok page or this YouTube channel with the link in the bio. And the link in the bio can be anything that you want to sell. The easiest thing to sell is going to be a 200 to 500 rupees PDF, which could be a checklist, could be a starter guide, could be any step-by-step tutorial that people can follow to get somewhere that they want to. For example, we create a page about teaching people how to code. We are posting reels every single day about the latest news in the world of software development. We have a simple interview prep checklist for a software developer, or we have a list of interview questions to prepare for, of guides and resources in a PDF format, and we're just charging people 500 rupees for that. Your captions will have this CTA to check out the link in bio to prepare for your coding interview. This is the easiest way to start making money with AI, and it all depends on how viral your AI avatar, your AI influencer is going. If it works very well, you can potentially have millions and millions of dollars in generated revenue. If it does not go well, heck, it was a good learning experiment for you, and you definitely learned a thing or two about social media management, about creating videos with AI, and that is always going to be valuable for you. Now, using AI tools to make money is one thing, but having a dedicated system, a workplace where you can do everything will take your game to another level. One workspace I've been using to work faster and more effectively is Miro. Now, most people use it as a whiteboard, but there's a feature called flows which can completely change how you work. I can add this doc where I have a rough outline for the YouTube video I want to make, and I'll add my team members to drop ideas on different types of content we can make from the same video, and I will write a single prompt and then run flows, and that generates the title options for this video, thumbnail ideas, and a LinkedIn post version of the same video. And have a look, it has given me this output right here. You can use it to brainstorm your next business idea, your next YouTube video, and even to understand a topic deeper. And that's not all. With Miro prototypes, you can go one level deeper. It lets you select content on the canvas and then generate a clickable interactive prototype from it. Miro helps you connect the dots, iterate on it, and suddenly you have something that you can actually start working on. So whether you're planning, building, or executing, Miro helps you keep all of it in one place. Check out the link in the description for Miro, and let's move on to the next way to make money with AI. The third way to make money with AI is to start building voice agents for businesses. There are so many businesses who are spending money on customer support, who are sending money on outbound sales, who are spending a lot of money doing a lot of operation heavy tasks. All of these tasks can be replaced or can be done much faster with the help of voice agents. This could be a voice agent that helps clear customer queries. This can be a voice agent that calls a lead before a call to validate and verify that lead, that, hey, are you sure you want to join this call? Are you able to pay this amount that we are charging? If not, then we will not do the call with you. That is going to end up saving you a lot of time. And so if you can start building these voice agents for companies, they will end up saving a lot of time in general, and they will pay you for the value that you create for them. That is the biggest opportunity today. There are so many voice agents that you can deploy, and these agents can actually scale very well. People can call them every single day, and there can be 10 people who are calling that agent. There can also be 100 people calling that agent, and it will all be built on an API basis. It will not be a problem of, oh, customer center only has 30 people, so only 30 people can answer at once. You can potentially have as many people as you want and getting their customer queries answered. And that is the best opportunity out there. You can even start coaching companies about AI. This is one of the biggest fields out there. Have a look at these two people. These people have been coaching JP Morgan, have been coaching a lot of finance companies, and guess how much they charge? Pause this video and write in the comment section, how much do you think they charge for a day's worth of workshops about how to use AI and how to build AI agents? They charge $25,000. That's right. $25,000 for a single day of AI workshop. That is how much companies are paying to upskill their employees about AI. I myself have been coaching a lot of companies, taking workshops for a lot of companies like Coca-Cola, like HP, like Lenovo, like Intel. I actually go to their offices, I meet their employees, I train them for how to use AI, and then I make sure that they start deploying AI and AI agents in their workflows. So that's the next way to make money with AI, which is to help companies deploy AI agents in their workflows and end up saving them costs. There are so many businesses today who want to start deploying AI agents, but they don't know how to get started. So if you are the person who is dealing and doing the sales, you should find someone who's a developer and who can create these N10 agents or can use LangChain to create agents and start deploying them for any function. Either that could be marketing, that could be sales, that could be hiring, that could be as simple as creating invoices or GST reconciliation. There are so many operations that a business does. You can be the person who can lay down these AI workflows for them in their businesses. So you ask them that what all operations do you do on a day-to-day basis, and which of these operations then you tell them can be automated with the help of AI. And then you start deploying that for their workflow, for their ecosystem. Maybe they are using HubSpot, maybe they are using Slack, maybe they are using Notion, maybe they are using Zoho. How can you connect these different services and create one sustainable workflow that works for them? That is basically what deploying AI agents is all about. Teaching AI and deploying AI agents can go hand in hand. Most importantly, you need to understand that it's all about trust. Companies will come to you if they trust you. And for that, you need to build a personal brand, a personal, influence. Only then will they reach out to you and they'll be willing to pay you the $25,000 that these two guys are earning from the top finance companies that I just showed you. It is honestly insane the amount of money that is there in this opportunity. Next up, there is a platform called 11 Labs. If you just want to start making money with AI passively, well, just go to 11 Labs and just start creating your own AI avatar voice. So this is your own voice that you are renting out to people and making some money on the go. There's a friend of mine called Priyam Raj who used his voice, put it up on 11 Labs. Now, whenever someone uses his voice to generate some audio, he gets a piece of that revenue that 11 Labs is getting. And have a look at the tweet that he shared about how much money he made in this entire process. It's honestly amazing that you can be doing this in 2026. Imagine renting your own voice. That is honestly insane. Another way to make money with AI is to start creating AI UGC ads for companies. So all you have to do is to understand that most ads today are too performative. They are too polished, and most people can instantly understand that and they hate it. So companies have started using UGC ads, user generated content. It could be someone who's just unboxing their product and you can quickly create a video, and when you post that video, it feels a lot more authentic, original, raw, and people believe and trust that a lot more. Your opportunity is that most of these UGC ads cost anywhere between $200 to $500. You would actually have to ship that product to the creator's house. They will shoot that unboxing video and them using the product. Then they will send these videos back to you. Then you will edit these videos. Then you will get to use it. $200 to $500 per UGC ad minimum you will have to pay. Then the opportunity is to use AI to generate the same UGC ads. And you can do that today at a scale and at a quality that you would have never imagined. Just have a look at this video that I created. It's for a energy drink brand that I just created. And just look at how authentic and original this video is looking. It's just me sipping that drink and hitting the gym. It's so much organic. And you can create videos like these without a setup, without a camera, without a cameraman, without a creator. And you can start offering these UGC ads to companies for, let's say, $30 to $50, $80 per video. Imagine doing this for 100 videos for a brand every month. And imagine scaling this up to tens of brands. Imagine the amount of money that you can generate by just creating these AI generated ads and selling it to companies. There are so many workflows today that allow you to create ultra high realistic AI UGC ads. I'll leave some resources in the description of this video. Go have a look at that, and I'm sure that will give you a lot of insights and resources to get started today. But the last thing I want to tell you is that everyone today is asking advice from AI chatbots, things like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. People are busy asking advice. Will this girl break up with me? Or how can I lose 5 kgs? Or how can I do XYZ? How can I learn to play tennis? How can I learn this particular skill? How can I develop this particular hobby? This is advice-based queries. And up to 30% of all AI content today, AI generated responses on Claude and ChatGPT are all about advices. People asking a particular question. All of these deserve a separate app. Imagine all the health related queries if you can combine in a health focused AI app, which will help you log all the calories that you are taking in, which can help you prepare for that next bulking session that you want to do, that can prep you for the next workout that you're trying to do. All of this combined in one app, everything in that could be AI generated. Just imagine the opportunity with that. Take a particular segment, let's say health, and generate an entire app using Replit or Lovable for just this particular niche. Put in AI in that, ask people their preferences and generate entire meal preps, entire diet charts for how they can optimize their health and live a better life. So these, my friends, were the 7 ways to make money with AI in 2026. This can be a great way to get started. I hope that this video helps. Check out Miro Flows with the description of this video. There'll be a link over there. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section as well. If you're still watching, write in the comment section, I was till the very end, and I will see you all in the next video.